All right, welcome back, welcome back. So yesterday we discussed something we call from fighting for freedom to fighting against the freedom. Like people who claim they are fighting for freedom, and they appear to be one that are fighting for freedom, that they care much about you, they want freedom and all that. They will start with that, and they will end up fighting the freedom itself. So you may ask, why are they doing what they're doing? The only thing you need to understand is that, though we talked about this yesterday, but there's a reason why I'm bringing it back here on this channel, because that is the main issue, the main reason why people are going gaga. Some of you also are aware of the so-called lawsuit, and that lawsuit is something that each time we talk about it, you see them on comment section. Oh, you are crying, you are mourning about that they'll sue you, they want you to do this and do that. It's not about that, but it's about the reality, the reason behind what they're doing. So let us go through it again, because I've seen many people who claim that they are for ghter, they are briggy, which I told us that there's a difference between that briggy and the briggy that you used to know. That is why they say, oh, why are you now? Why is COS is claiming briggy that she said that she's not briggy? I've said that before, I'm going to say it again. The brigade that they're bragging about is quite different from the one you know. There's a notion different between two of them. They're not the same. There's no way you can compare the two. It's just like you claiming that you are what you are not. Whereas the original, the real licensed brigade that we know is quite different from the one they're claiming they have today. Many of you are aware of it. You know that they 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 they, they want to remain in brigade because of that's the only way where they can maintain the status quo. I mean, the reason why they want to fight for freedom, is their benefit. What they want to gain from that, apart from it, there's nothing like freedom. So they often claim to be what they are not, and it's no longer in news. It is quite open that everybody, even a blind person, can testify to that. That what they're doing is for their pocket, nothing more. Now, you may ask, why are they claiming that they are for freedom, whereas they are not? Some of them actually don't know that what they think they are fighting for is not what they're fighting for. That the main bone of contention here, the main reason, the main thing that they are fighting in their mind is for their pocket. But they believe that fighting for their pocket is somehow fighting for your freedom. I hope you understand what I mean. So they always have a way of navigating their way out from the main issue. But we are here to explain it for us so that we can have an idea of what they intend to do. The issue of this court case is not something that is from out of nowhere. They rumored it. There was a time they formed their group in WhatsApp, trying to gather reasons and facts. In their own word, it's fact, but the truth of the matter is not. There's nothing fact about it. But they're trying to gather reasons, try to gather reasonable number of posts or comments from CS that will enable them to sue or report CS to FBI. Now, when that one they couldn't, get hold on that, they turn around and say, "Oh, she's doing fundraising for humanitarians. She's doing fundraising for humanitarians. Why are you doing for? Why is not Biafran Liberation Army? Okay, that means the money Biafran are contributing and not for Biafran Liberation Army. Now, the question is, are they doing the same thing for Biafran Liberation Army today? The answer is no. I showed us yesterday. I told us the last Saturday fundraising. Go and check the title. Go to Sonak Barawa, go to Vam, the Eggman. Check all of them. They are now telling the whole world that it's for recognition. On 30th of May, this last month, CS flashed the army of USB. Instead of them to show their own, they started sharing pictures of PM Biafra Liberation Army during when PM was here, 7 months, 1 year ago. Showing you the look at the army, this is the Biafra Liberation Army. Can you compare with this rag tag? What a bakara ibiana kwasno here. Show us your current army now. I know they're gonna say, "Oh, you're insulting the army." No, I'm not insulting the army. I'm talking about those who say they are managing brigade, that the brigade is their own. In fact, without brigade, they can't breathe and all that. So the issue is this: not the rape brigade that we all know, their own brigade, their own way of siphoning and making people that dry. The question is, where is your own army? Before you tag the army that says, flash rag tag, where is your own army? They couldn't show you any army. He said they devote their time shouting ragtag army, ragtag army. But the truth is, that PM actually have army, build army for Biafrans, for everybody. And they hijacked it publicly. The reason why I'm trying to, why I'm touching all those things for you to know that when they shouted, when they shout army, that CS stop, fundraising for army, that our army is the key. Without army, there's nothing. Ask them, are they not doing the fundraising for army? The answer is no. So when you told us that the reason why you started to fall back is because CS said that there won't be fundraising 1 week after the convention. They said, "Oh, you want to stop army? Oh, you know that what is his name, Musa." And they said that you should just once you capture army, once you capture their fund, the whole thing will collapse. The fund you are gathering, and how far? Where is the fund going to? You see? And some of our brothers and sisters that are contributing money don't even ask this question. Why I'm saying this thing is for you to know that as long as, because I know many of you don't, you must not be a content creator or a broadcaster or a media team before you say the truth. Some of you, they're attacking you even on comment section. You that doesn't have any platform of your own, they're attacking you, right? Telling you, oh, you are crying because of this lawsuit. The question about the lawsuit is that, to me, until you go to court and win the case, then you can only brag about it. As it is now, you never can tell. Anything is vice versa. And mind you that they are not exempted from being sued. How about it? Remember? Oh, are you trying to tell me that these guys are crime free from everything that has happened so far? They don't have anything to hold them on. They don't have anything they have done. How about the finance? How about calling people terrorists? Do you know the consequences of blackmailing people on social media? Do you know what it means to label people what they're not? When you say they're spying people, that CS spy people, you do have the proof. She can sue you. I'm just saying it because ignorance is not an excuse. If you don't know, ask people that know. Why I'm saying this again is for you that are watching this program to remove anything panicking, because I have noticed that they intensify their cry, the lamentation, that, oh, because people that are afraid, they will be the first to tell you that you're afraid. Do you understand? They will be the first to tell you that you're afraid. People that actually believe that they know better than you, they will be the one to tell you that you know nothing, but they don't know anything. They are, the fact, source of their knowledge based and rely on you, but you may not know. You may think that it truly, no, it's not like that. From fighting for freedom to fighting freedom itself. That is why their position is so important. They don't joke with it. As long as it has to do with their own profit, they will turn against it. As long as it has to do with freedom, rather, they will turn against it. But it has to do, they want it to be for their own pocket, for their own profit. Otherwise, tell me, Vam, who said that PM will, like Gatis, today is shouting PM. And now PM is not here. He want to maintain the cabal. They are built even in the presence of PM. Because PM know there's a cabal existing. That was why he mentioned it on that video. He said it, that some of you are in cabal without knowing that you're in cabal. The reason why he allowed that cabal to last is because he knew that after declaration, the cabinet will dissolve. And the cabinet being dissolved, the cabal will vanish. But little did he know that they're not only planning on how to sustain the cabalism, but to maintain the platform by making sure they get PM away. I'm not saying that they're responsible of what happened to PM. I don't want to claim that, but you cannot distance them. You cannot distance them from that, can you? So until they prove innocent, everybody's a suspect to me. Likewise, they're saying that CS is the one that sold PM. I heard that from why he's such of recent. Why he's such own is why he's such is suable. Like if there's anyone like that, anybody that's decided to sue that woman will cash out. To be honest with you, but I don't think she have the money to even pay penalties. Do you know that somebody told me that the reason why why he's still existing on social media because Biafra is actually showing her pity that she don't have any other source of income, that stop pushing her away from social media is somehow pushing her away from livelihood, that she sustain her family by or with all this saga that she's doing. That's okay. If that is the case, why not let her be? But she's there, but she don't understand that she's there out of pity, and she's taking advantage of that pity. You understand what I'm saying? Let me not push this video to be too long or to go to somewhere that I don't want it to go. Let it be a kind of a reminder that they are fighting for their pocket. All of them from A to Z. We are going to stream live this evening, all right? Evening different time or tonight different time. Keep your eyes on that on our main platform, and please, this new platform is our backup platform. Subscribe and share this video. Let it go get to many people, and tell me what you think about what we have discussed so far. Do you agree or disagree? See you again, and bye bye for now. God bless.